Sticking to a healthy diet that supports an active lifestyle can be challenging, especially if your busy schedule leaves little time to cook. So, set yourself up for success by prepping a few versatile meals and snacks that are simple to store and reheat throughout the week, like Eggland's Best Garden Frittata. It's quick to prep, just as delicious when reheated, and the EB eggs are loaded with nutrition that will keep you fueled for long work days and workouts. Eggland's Best eggs are good to eat before and after a sweat session because they provide 6 times more vitamin D and more than double the omega-3s of ordinary eggs, which aid in muscle recovery and maintaining strong bones. And Eggland's Best is further supporting your health goals by teaming up with digital platform Daily Burn to give away a variety of fitness-themed prizes, including EB coupons, branded swag, and free Daily Burn memberships. Enter by June 25th. Go to egglandsbest.com for more information.